In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links to your Wufoo forms. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to guide your users to additional resources, provide direct access to related materials, or simply share more information right from your form. So, let's dive right into it and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wufoo account. Make sure you have your login credentials at hand, as entering the right details will get you directly to your dashboard. Once you're in, locate the specific form you wish to edit. Perhaps it's a registration form for an event, or maybe a survey that needs some external references. Click on the form to open it up, and let's get started. Now, on to the part where we add that clickable link. You essentially have three options for where to put your link, depending on your needs and the design of your form. If you're looking to place it in the form's description, which is generally at the top of the form, you'll want to edit that particular section. It's a great spot for general links, such as terms and conditions or a privacy policy. If your link fits better within a section break, simply add or edit the section break field. This is often used to divide one section from another within the form and can serve as a prominent space for your link. Finally, if the link is relevant to an individual field, perhaps additional instructions or a related article, you should edit the instructions for user for that specific field. This can be incredibly useful for providing context or additional help related to the field. Once you've decided where your link should go, you'll need to paste in the link code into the text area. Now here's an important tip. Ensure your text area supports HTML, as this is crucial for making the link clickable. The basic HTML code for this typically looks something like this: your link text. Simply replace URL with your actual web address, and your link text with whatever you want the clickable text to read. With your link code in place, the next step is to save the form. Find the Save button. It's usually located somewhere prominently in the Form Builder interface. Click it, and your changes will be stored. Lastly, don't forget to preview the form. This is an important step to ensure everything appears as it should. You can preview the form directly in Wufoo, or check the embedded or live version to verify the link is visible and, importantly, clickable. Make sure all your adjustments have been successfully applied and that the link directs your users to the correct page. Substitute any necessary corrections, and you're all set. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to add clickable links to your Wufoo forms, effectively enriching the user experience with extra resources or information. Don't hesitate to explore and customize further as you become more comfortable with Wufoo's features. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.